Hello YouTube, this is Chris, aka Big White. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is something different. I wanted to show how to draw something cute. I'm thinking about doing a run of these. The first thing I am going to show you is to draw in shapes, just to get your basic character down. Today's character is a cute puppy. I'm drawing the beak right now. As you can see, the video is sped up. Here is two large eyes. With ears, you just want to draw two cone looking shapes. Later on in the video, you'll see that it is actually different. Here's the body I'm drawing. I'm drawing from the beak down. Then I take and draw two Twinkie looking shapes from the center point. Here's his back leg that I'm drawing. Then I'm going to draw in a fluffy tail. But it's all shapes, like the two cones, the head, the two eyes, the beak, the body, and the two of his feet. I was using red, but now I've switched over to regular lead so you can actually see, because I was recording this on my iPad and I realized it wasn't picking up that well. So here I'm just outlining the beak, putting in a mouth and a nose. Then here I draw in two eyes, but I don't connect the lines. Sometimes it gives a better looking character. Same thing with this eye. Now here's what I was talking about. We're gonna shape the ears. I went straight almost in the middle and I kind of go out of the red line just to give it more of a shape. Then here I'm drawing the head. I don't connect the lines out the way. And then I bring down the side of the head. And this I'm just drawing in two little circles for his paws. Then I'm starting to shape his front legs. This isn't how his front legs are going to look. It's just I'm starting to shape them. Same thing with the body. Then I start to bring in his belly area. Then I bring his back leg in, but I go and make it a different shape. Then I do the paw. Here I'm starting to shape in the tail. It's starting to look like a jelly bean. When drawing, you just want to draw in shapes in the beginning. And here's step 3. Step 3 is more of defining the character. I am putting in his hair. Then I'm going to be bringing in a little bit of hair on top. And here you'll see in a second, I bring down the hairline and I start making his eyebrows, which are just upside down smile faces. Remember to draw in shapes, like I said before. And here I'm just going to extend his lower part of his ear to give it more character. And then I'm going to shape his face, bring out some fur to the side. I like to use upside down smiley faces here too. Erase the inner lines so we don't ink those here in a minute. Now I'm bringing some under his head fur using V's, a lot of V shapes. And here, I don't know why I wasn't paying attention, but I didn't record me. I did record, but I just didn't record it, showing it of me drawing his legs in. All I was doing is taking those circles and putting in toes and shaping his legs once you see it, if you want to pause the video, I think that'd be the best thing to do, is to pause the video and then look at what I did and just draw what you see. Here I'm using more of upside down U's. Same thing on the other side. Now I'm drawing the underbelly, which is just a line. Then I realized that it wasn't recording and I moved it up. So the same thing with the back foot is the same thing I did with the front ones. I just made 3 toes. Then I started bringing the upper body hair, or fur, not hair, sorry. And bringing a line down to give it more of a wrinkle look. More upside down U's and V's. Here I am bringing the fur tail in. Using V shapes again. Here's 3 V's, indicating that he has some fur in his tail. And now I'm going to use the fine liners and just outline it. This is a number 3. And all I'm doing is going over the lines. Like I said, this is a beginner tutorial on how to draw in cute characters. If this is something that you are enjoying, please give it a like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And now I'm just doing more of the upside down V's, but I'm just following the lines that I drew with pencil. And his back leg. I don't connect the body and the leg because I don't want all my lines to connect. And the same thing, I connect the bottom, but I don't connect the right side. It's because I want his face to look like he was tilting. His eyes, I don't connect the outer side. And I'm just outlining his hair on top. And I don't connect the hair on the inside. I just make sure I go past his ear a little bit so it looks like it's connected to his head. And that is it with the lines. Now I'm going to erase. Then I'm going to do a thicker outline. I like doing my line weight on the outside of my characters when I do cartoon. I'm just showing you what it looks like using another fine liner. I do have a video, and I'll leave the video in the description of a review of these fine liners. You can find them on eBay or Amazon. They're really cheap and they work really, really nice. This is the brush tip fine liner. It gives you a nice solid outline and it's got a firm nib to it. And this is pretty much it. So if you like the video, please, like I said, just give it a thumbs up. It helps me know that people are watching these. And please come back for the next one. Alright, thanks.